Let me show you the best way and the easiest way to build a blog or any website. This is what the website gonna look like. These are the posts I wrote. For example, this is an example post. The technology stack we used here are Notion plus Next.js plus GitHub Pages. So why using Notion and Next.js? Actually, you can just build any website with GitHub Pages. It's completely free, easy to deploy. But the problem here is that you're using Markdown as a content management system. And writing Markdown is terrible experience. Here, if you can just write Notion notes and just convert those notes into a website, it's gonna be amazing, right? Because note taking in Notion is very easy, and Notion is the best note taking app. That's my opinion. What Next.js does is that Next.js can convert these Notion uh, pages into static pages that GitHub page can read. So all you need to do is to write the blogs here and go to the go to my GitHub repo and just run npm deploy. Boom, you got the website deployed on GitHub pages. And this is a final result. Isn't that easy and the most beautiful way?